How to watch movies on Plex. So everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily watch your favorite movies on Plex. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. Now, the first thing you need to do is download the application from Play Store. And once that is done, open it up. And you will have to log into your account first. And if you don't have an account, there is also an option to create an account. So just tap on sign up for free and continue with Google. Here I have chosen my Google account, so it will sign me in right now. I'm just going to wait for it to load completely. And once the loading process is complete, you will be directed to the homepage of the Plex app. And once you get to the homepage, you will find what's new and what's on now. Then you can just scroll down, watch popular shows in your country, and all of these genres of movies. So that's it for this video, guys. Now you can easily enjoy your favorite shows and TV serials and movies as well. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you next time.